Good morning, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial in Microsoft Outlook. So in this tutorial, I want to talk to you about the Help tab in Microsoft Outlook. So right now you see we're on the Home tab, and way over here on the right they have a Help tab. And I'm going to click on that. Now my experience has been if you have issues with your email is one of those things, once you set it up and get it working with the proper settings, and also, you have your email address, which is typically your username, and then you have a password. Unless you change a password or change something dramatic, once you set this up, it just keeps working. But this Help tab is interesting because not so much of some of the things like the contact support, troubleshoot feedback, suggest a feature. These are options here, but really there's a couple areas here where I think you should be aware of, and one is show training. So I'm going to click on that, and over here on the right hand side are some Outlook training videos you can take a look at. So they're produced by Microsoft, and you can go in and take a look at those if you want to. Having said that, there's also the What's New option. And one of the things about a subscription is that these subscriptions keep changing. So Microsoft has a subscription. Behind the scenes, sometimes there will be updates that you'll see, or you might or might not notice based on how experienced you are or just what you frankly notice when working in Microsoft Outlook. So this sometimes can give you some sense of how things work, and you should look at it every now and again. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.